Meanwhile, people in the corporate area are being warned that more water restrictions could be coming. The National Water Commission says that's under consideration given declining levels at the two main catchment facilities in Kingston and St. Andrew.
Some of which have already been implemented are bearing some fruit. We are also continuing to look at all the options available to us, but please bear in mind that in the situation where the water supply network is operating as it is now, under very abnormal conditions, with much less than the normal volume of water for distribution, with some areas of the network not being supplied from their normal routes or normal sources, but having to be supplied from other systems and other sources that do not normally supply them. All of these abnormal operating conditions result in a number of problems to the network.
Now, NWC teams are carrying out special operations in drought-affected communities in the corporate area.
Areas that do not normally get good water supply unless all the different elements are working together. And so the Commission is doing a lot of troubleshooting, having to constantly check the network to ensure that there are not air pockets and blockages, that all the valves that are supposed to be in the open or closed position are in the position that they are expected to be in and functioning in the appropriate ways.